There's a tale of a Bionicle set that was lost to time. Was it really an official set, or just a legend from a time before time? This is Veriki, a mysterious set that many think is real. But is it real? Let's discuss the history of this iconic legend, and we'll see how you can get Veriki for yourself in 2026. Or you could build your own. Seeing how other people have done it might give you a bit of inspiration. Let's check it out. The legend of Veriki takes us all the way back to the beginning, 2001. At the time, the LEGO Group released a contest. The contest was called Build Your Own Bionicle Website. Basically, you had to build a website page about, yeah, you guessed it, Bionicle. So a Bionicle fan called Bionicle7, they made a website about their own original character. And that character was called Veriki. Actually, here's that page. This is what it looked like. Veriki was this mysterious 7th Toa, and he was a Toa of Energy. It was a really fun original character that this person made up. I like it. Pictures of Veriki were created in Photoshop. They were made by kind of stitching different parts of Toa together and creating this beautiful character. I mean, looking at the images now, it's very obviously a Photoshop job. You know, using the liquefy tool to extend and bend the mask. It's obviously fake, but it felt pretty real back in 2001. As years went on, images of Veriki made their way onto Bionicle fan pages and websites. Veriki quickly became this rather popular character. A lot of people even mistook him for an actual canon Bionicle character that existed within the story. People thought he was real. People still think he is real, but he's not. But despite that, people still love making their own versions of him today. People like making up fan stories about the character and writing him into the lore. It's funny too, because in 2003, the LEGO Group teased a 7th Toa. Of course, this Toa was Tohunga, the Toa of Light. He would have his own movie. But yeah, the idea of a 7th Toa certainly sounds familiar, doesn't it? Veriki has gained quite the cult following. People love him to death. But yeah, this was never a set, this was never legit. It's just a fun little fan thing that someone made up. That little fun imaginary creation kind of became a living legend. You might be thinking to yourself, well, Ben, if Veriki is a fan-made idea and not a real set, then how come you have an actual copy of it right here? What's that? Well, this is a recreation of Veriki using 3D printed pieces. In fact, a lot of people like to bring this character to life with 3D printed parts. So how did I make my one? Well, I reached out to a 3D printing master. His name is Veriki. This mad lad, he has plenty of amazing 3D printed parts, pieces, and masks. Some of them are 3D printed, some of them are resin casts. What he makes is phenomenal. The pieces honestly feel pretty much the same quality as LEGO themselves. It's good quality stuff. So I reached out to him and I said, hey, could you make for me all of the exclusive pieces to make up my boy Veriki? And he said, yeah, I can do that. But what pieces do you need? Well, you need the mask, which is basically Onawa's mask stretched out into kind of like a star shape. Then it's got lightning bolts on the edges. I also needed those Mutta feet in purple. At the same time, I also needed the Mutta torso in the same color. Because yeah, would you believe it, they never made those pieces in those colors. On top of that, I needed the staff, this piece. Otherwise, I had everything else. All the other pieces are official LEGO parts. They all exist. And mate, Veriki, he rose to the challenge. And he made the best looking frickin' custom pieces you ever did see. He sent them my way, and he even graciously included a couple freebies, as well as a couple other things that I bought off of him. What a sweet thing to do, thank you so much. Stay tuned, I'm going to talk about these pieces in a future video. And yeah, with all these pieces together, I was able to assemble the living legend himself, Veriki. Now, I've had him on my desk for kind of a few days now, and it's the coolest frickin' thing ever. This iconic character has finally come to life, and I can hold him in my hands. I get those like fanboy chills just looking at this thing. because it feels like I've assembled a brand new Bionicle set in 2026. I'm reliving that old magic. It's the best. If this is the kind of glee that making 3D printed elements can give you, I gotta do more of it. This is great. Even just having Veriki interact with the other official Toa, it makes my heart sing. All those years of speculation, theorizing, and questioning whether or not these images were real. Well, now it feels like they are totally real. Because it is. Now he's right in front of me. I love that. Oh yeah, and I didn't mention, Burumox included this extra staff piece. It's kind of like a bigger, better version of the original. I like that. It's kind of fun. You can give him some customizable weapons. Pretty sweet. So look man, I can't sing the praises of Burumox any more than I currently am. This dude rocks, and what he makes? Insane. The color matching is on point. The quality is amazing. It's exactly what I wanted. Check the links below and go grab some stuff for yourself. I'll have a link to his Instagram and to his Etsy store. I promise this isn't an ad or anything, I'm just over the moon with what I got and I want to share it with you. But okay, let's keep the love for Veriki going. And let's look at some fan creations that revamp and reimagine this wonderful character. Kicking us off is a mock by Niels. If you look closely, you'll see that these 3D printed pieces are a little bit different to mine. There's even a few extra ones as well. For example, the mask. It's a lot bigger. The chin is a bit more elongated and in general it's just larger. There's also this chest piece. It's not an official element, but it's a good looking 3D print. I love it when these kind of parts can just capture that aesthetic and essence of Bionicle pieces. You can totally mistake this for being a legitimate piece. And then yeah, this staff. I think it's the same as mine. Certainly looks it. I do like that the newer body here is a lot more posable. Because as good as this mutter frame is, it's got no knees and no elbows. So this is certainly an improvement. It's also very nice to see some of these Hero Factory lightning pieces. We can see them alongside a few system lightning pieces. These days we got a lot of pieces that very much fit that lightning energy aesthetic. It's good. Now you can really pull off the fact that he is a Toa of Energy. Pieces like this do the job quite nicely. And then this next creation. This is made by Construction Deva. Now what I like about this is that there's no 3D printed pieces at all. This is just made up of various official pieces. And it still pulls off that similar shape and feel. I like it. So hey, if you're broke and you can't afford any kind of 3D printed parts, there's always another way. That's nice, isn't it? Although I do recommend, do pick up some 3D printed parts. If they're anything like the ones that Burumox made, it's well worth it. This new color scheme is also pretty sweet. Bit of light bluish gray, bit of yellow. That mixes in very nicely with that sweet, sweet purple. Even these small hints of blue and teal. That's quite nice. Plus, Alex just did a wonderful job of really pulling off that sleek, smooth armor. It's kind of a staple of Construction Deva's stuff. He does it well. It's fun to see the legacy of this character and how it lives on today. Whether it's through a fun story, a cool creation, or a beautiful little guy made with 3D printed pieces. It's beautiful, isn't it? A legacy that dates back all the way to 2001. That's the spirit of Bionicle. So I hope you enjoyed our little journey through Veriki's history, and I hope that seeing this has inspired you to make something similar. Thanks for watching everyone, happy building, and bye for now. Who is it that lives in a pineapple under the sea? He's absorbent, yellow and porous or something? I don't remember.